just now I bought a new RC car, and here it is. Yeah! While we were waiting for my cousin to unload some storage, we drove it around, we made a ramp, but it didn't really work. So let's start it up. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! It's honestly pretty fast. And look at the lawn crash, unlike the other one. Oh no! Oh no! It's also a four-wheeler, so it drives. Yeah! The wheels. Oh! It can also do wheelies. Let me show you guys. Wheelie! 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 And if you stop it, it instantly goes like that. It made a weird sound. Yeah, because it's actually made of steel. Oh, steel! Oh my god! Oh! Let's go drive this one fast. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What are we doing? Crap. What then? Oh, so cold here. I can barely stay out here for like 20 minutes. But at least I can do the... Wait, what? What? Okay. I did that for fun. Oh, no. What that because? I bought this from the mall. What's the price? My mom said I had to get it. My mom said I had to get it for my birthday, which is coming up soon. Yes. I bought this for my birthday, but I don't care. I had bought you out. on my. Hey, look, I want to pick a tomato. Okay, we made it to the end. The end of wheels are wet. So let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Oh no! The first set of poo here. Second set. Okay, now we're free to just roam. There's no more food. We do a lot of water work, so yeah, let's take a sinkhole. Oh, it's also yes, let's see if we can climb up steps. Oh, it actually might. See, it actually might get to the second floor. Okay, what are you thinking? Oh! Okay, we need to move this roll. We need to move this net in order for it to drop. Okay. There. It almost tackled me too. Yeah, it tackled me. It's almost my toe there. If we accidentally go on the grass, that's fine. I mean, yeah. Fine if we accidentally go on the grass. The other part. Jump on the side. Jump on the side. Where did it go? There was also a I want to make it I want to see it after. Let's see it after, guys. Also took an ad for we're trying to take this guy to the He's trapped. He's still down there. I guess we're just gonna be walking along. Like you guys, when you want to go filming, I actually did find an ant in here and said, let's take you for a ride. And I actually did. And bro, I don't know. Yeah, the room is gone. What sense? When he climbed down, or bro just climbed out and dodged this one. Yes. This thing goes across the wall. It's so epic. You can drive literally anywhere. Yeah, except in tall grass. Yeah, tall grass. You can drive in the air, drive in the air, and drive in the drive in my house. Very hard obstacles. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I farted. Whoa! Oh, yep, that's one of the obstacles. Mom, we got this cat goes over really fast and do wheelies. You can do wheelies. Yeah, wheelies.
phone's at 18%.
My phone's at 1%, like I said. If you haven't seen my video, just talking really fast because the 60 seconds is almost up. Hi everybody. Next video will be and yes, like I said, drive the LC car around. Like I said,
And this is a broken pipe cleaner. Cause the dog chewed it. That's the dog.
yeah, that's all I could get. That's literally all I could get.
Stove. Stairs leads to a pool that's closed and a water gun. Plant. Weird tables. And Eli's Crocs. Yeah, that's all I can show you. Good. Yeah. Unspoken like always.